everyone, my name is Micah Cristian and I'm the lead singer of Sons of Serendip. We're living in a very confusing and interesting time, and I've noticed that for me, I've had to take a long look inward. And I've watched myself go through this process of denial to frustration to fear and confusion, and then ultimately to acceptance of this new reality that we find ourselves in. And I noticed that once I got to acceptance, I mean real acceptance of this new reality, I felt like it was a cosmic invitation towards stillness. Stillness, like being still and receiving all the gifts that stillness has to offer. And one of the most important gifts that I believe that stillness has to offer is a moment for each of us to evaluate our lives and consider our mental and emotional well-being. You know, am I taking care of myself? Am I eating the right foods? Am I spending enough time in nature? You know, it's a time for us to consider our relationships. Are the relationships that I nurture meaningful? You know, are there people in my life that I need to forgive or to reconcile with? Or are there people that I need to just check in with who need me? And then it's a time to consider our work in the world, our vocation. You know, is the work that I'm spending most of my life doing, is it giving me life? You know, is it of service to others? And then it's a time to consider our own spirituality. You know, is there enough time in my life? Like, am I carving out enough time in my life to dive deep, to explore questions of meaning and purpose? And is my life in line with the things that I hold true and valuable? This is a very important time. And so my hope is that, you know, each of us will take some time to accept that invitation towards stillness and to carve out just a little bit of stillness in our day, each day, where we can ask those questions. And so that when this thing is all over, we will come out having grown through the experience, grown through it. And so that's my hope. One last thing though, this is a time for hope. And so I did want to leave you a reflection on hope. Choosing to hope is like lighting a candle on a dark road. It won't show you what lies too far ahead, but it casts just enough light for you to see your way out of the present darkness. What is beautiful about this image is that when two or more come together holding their candles of hope, they're able to disperse more of the darkness, and they're able to see further ahead, and they become beacons for others to find their way. Thank you. Have hope. We'll get through this. Talk to you soon.